eyes are blue to the ceiling again. I miss my hometown. Moved to LA with all my friends, but I'm alone. Now I miss the feeling of putting my phone down. Can't stop pushing these buttons, baby. I just wanna feel something like.
Hey guys, if you guys want to see this makeup look, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am so happy you are here. Today we are going to do my everyday makeup look. I recently posted one of these and you guys seem to really enjoy it, so we're going to do another one. Let's get right into it. I have my face moisturized with just some Cetaphil moisturizer. First and foremost, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. You guys already know this is amazing. It's a flawless filter dupe. I really like starting with this under my eyes, but I find that it gives a really nice glow from within. So I'm just going to do a light layer all over my face and then we're going to blend it out with a brush. Do you guys prefer we do a makeup video of me telling you what I'm doing or we chit chat? All my makeup videos have been me just explaining my makeup, but nothing really besides that. I guess the New Year's get ready with me kind of talked about some goal setting and whatnot, but let me know if you guys want me to talk about my manifestations, what it's like living in LA, anything you could think of. Let me know. Happy to discuss some more stuff on these videos. Next, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. Placed it under my eyes. I'm going to blend it out with this flat shader brush. During the week, I use my drugstore makeup, and anytime we're going out, I will use my higher end makeup. The flat shader brush allows you to kind of place the product exactly where you want it, and I really like having that control. I have a little blemish down here that we're going to cover up, and then also in between the eyebrows. Before we blend this out with a sponge, we're going to let it sit for a bit. So in the meantime, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me stick in Coconut. It's a foundation stick, but I love using this as my everyday contour or bronzer. I'm going to take my favorite IT Cosmetics brush and just blend it out. This is a very bronzy shade, so it just kind of gives you a healthy glow opposed to a sharp contour. Next, we're going to take Rare Beauty's blush in Happy. I'm going to do a dot on each cheek. A little goes a long way with this one. I'm going to blend it out. I like blending it upwards, lifts the face. As we blend the blush, it is also going to blend the concealer just because we're lifting it up. Whatever's left, just take over the nose. And now we are ready to take a beauty blender and blend out this concealer. These are the Wet n Wild sponges. It comes with a pack of 3. Absolutely love these. I've been using these for years. This is a new set I just got from Target while I was home. Whatever is left, I just take on my eyelids just to combat any discoloration. Then we're going to go under the eyes. Once that is all blended, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury powder, get some on this what is this called? Beauty sponge square, and then press that under the eye just to lightly set the concealer. Take whatever's left and put it over the chin, forehead, wherever else we place the concealer. Now I'm going to take the Well People bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer, and I'm going to take this angled e.l.f. brush. First, we're going to contour the nose, start at the brow, down the side of the nose, same to the other side, and then we're gonna just go over top. And then we're gonna also use this as our eyeshadow, so all over the lid. You could be messy with it. I like flicking it out, whatever your preference is. I find flicking it out lifts the face. That's kind of the goal here. Just a lifted and awake look. Now we're just gonna comb the brows and then fill them in ever so lightly. You guys already know my favorite brow pencil is the Anastasia, but for today's look and my everyday looks, I normally go in with the IT Cosmetics just because I love preserving my Anastasia. Once I do a rough outline with the pencil, I go back in with this spoolie just to blend it out, make it more seamless, more natural, not as harsh. For today's look, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a Charlotte Tilbury Pinkasm just to kind of bring some extra glow and blush to the face. And then I'm just going to take this IT Cosmetics and blend it out. Next, I'm going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish spray. And then I'm taking the Cover FX powder, going to bake with this. It's going to lay really nicely over the NYX as well as the Charlotte Tilbury powder we placed down before. So I kind of use this as a contouring tool as well. We're outlining the nose as well as the under eye. And do the same to the other side. Get a healthy amount of powder on your, what are these called? Triangles? Sponges? Okay, so now you can see we kind of carved out the nose as well as brighten the under eyes, and that was the goal. When I'm doing my going out looks, I love this Givenchy powder. It's absolutely amazing. We're almost done here. This is the quickest makeup ever, and for me, amazing because normally I will take a while on my makeup. So we're gonna curl our lashes. Oh, I guess 3 more steps. You could add some freckles. This is the Shiseido eyelash curler. I honestly love it. I think it is worth the hype. And then for everyday, I just go in with a very light layer of mascara, so honestly, it doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which is one of my tried and true. But you can honestly use whatever your fave mascara is. We're going to do a nice light layer. It just gives off a your lashes but better look, as if they're like naturally like this. Gonna add just a few freckles. Now I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and just outline my lips. And then last but not least, we're just going to wipe away this bake, and then we are all done. Okay, that is my quick 15-minute everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see the next makeup video as a kind of get ready with me, walk you through the steps, or a chit chat get ready with me, and like what you guys want to hear from me, what you guys want to chat about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.